Hi viewers, and welcome to BDMP, Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Feeling tired is a universal experience, but the phrase I'm tired can become repetitive if you use it too often. To help you expand your vocabulary and accurately convey your exhaustion with a touch of creativity and nuance in Nigerian Pidgin English, use the following expressions. Omo. Body no be firewood. Omo, body no be firewood. I don't tire abeg. I don't tire abeg. I don't tire anyhow. I don't tire anyhow. Omo, life don't tire me. Omo, life don't tire me. Omo, I don't try. Omo, I don't try. I no fit again. I no fit again. E be like say dem pound yam for my body. E be like say dem pound yam for my body. Oh boy, body don weak. Oh boy, body don weak. My body don ga break. My body don ga break. I no dey see road again. I no dey see road again. Everything don tire man. Everything don tire man. I no fit kill myself. I no fit kill myself. I no wan die young. I no wan die young. I no ready to die. I no ready to die. My leg dey shake. My leg dey shake. E be like say dem beat me with plank. E be like say dem beat me with plank. I don kpai. I don kpai. Next time you're either feeling worn out, deadbeat, exhausted, or extremely tired as the case may be, you now know the expressions to use in Nigerian Pidgin English. Once again, my name is Bafo. See you in my next video. Peace is it.